In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear exterior door handle on your Chevy Malibu. This will be located on the rear door of the car. Let's get started. Prop open that rear door, and on the outside you're going to find this black cap. Remove that black cap, and inside of there you're going to find a T25 bolt. We're going to remove that. When you insert your ratchet, aim towards the back of the handle. That's where our bolt is. Loosen the screw, but do not fully remove it. Behind our door panel, you're going to find a plastic panel. Using a small pick, we're going to get behind this and pop it out. Behind there, you're going to find a 7mm screw. Go ahead and remove that screw. Down behind this mirror switch, you're going to find another 7mm screw. This might be under a plastic plate or a little piece that you just pick up. Ours is missing. We're going to remove that screw. Using a pick tool or a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to get up under this window. You're going to go under the bezel, and you're going to gently pick up on the front of it. We'll start popping out of place, and we can chase that down. Work it out of place. On the back side, we're going to remove our connector. We're going to push on the top tab and remove the switch. Behind there, we have two 7mm screws. Go ahead and remove those. Right on the bottom of the door, you're going to find one more screw. Go ahead and remove that. Using a trim tool, get in between the door trim and the door. We're going to go around popping all of the clips. You should hit a point where it's pretty easy to just pull them all out by hand. Lift straight up and remove the door panel. We're going to pull down the vapor barrier that was behind our door panel. Careful not to rip the barrier. And right now we're digging back to the connector for the handle. This is our connector for our door handle. On the back side, you're going to find a red locking tab. We're going to push that locking tab up into the unlocked position. I'm going to use 2 fingers. You hear it pop up into that up position. You won't see the tab sticking out the bottom anymore. Now we can push on this top tab right here and remove our connector. Remove the connector. Lift up on the rear of the door handle. Lift up and out on this rear piece. Using a right angle pick, we're going to go through that lock hole, and we're going to pull up on our door handle. And right where our handle is right here, we're going to try and put our pick on the back side of that. And this is going to hold a spring for us when we undo this handle. Once you have that spring held, push that door handle straight back. We can remove our pick now. We're going to swing the handle forward slightly and remove it from the vehicle. Install the gasket. Install the cable into the door, install the door handle, drop it down into place. Using our right angle pick, we're going to reach in and we're going to go back and grab that spring. We're going to pull it up towards our door handle. Make sure that gasket is still installed. Push the door handle back into that spring and slowly let it down into place. Lift slightly up on the door handle, install the rear piece, go through the hole in the side of the door and snug down that bolt for the back of the handle. Install the cap into the side of the door. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. Give it a little pull. Slide the weather stripping out of the door panel. Put it off to the side. Now go down the line and remove all of these clips. I'm going to use a pick, push on one side, and pull out on the other. And remove the clip. Go down the line and do this for all of the clips in the door. Install all of those clips we just removed into the metal slots. Install the weather stripping. Restick the vapor barrier to the door. If it lost its stick, you can use new butyl tape to re-stick it. Once it's back up, we're going to line up these top clips with this top panel. You'll hear them all click into place as you go down the line, pushing them in. Go around the door doing the same thing, installing all the plastic clips. Be sure to pull your harness up out of the door. Install the 2 screws through the middle side of the door. Get them nice and snug. We're going to go up to the door handle. Get the screw started up there. Snug it down. We have one more on bottom. Install the connector into the window switch. Push until you hear that click. Give it a pull, make sure it's locked in. We're going to drop the back end in first. Push it down into place. Follow up to the front. We have one more screw down in the middle here. Get that nice and snug. We're going to install the plastic door trim. Put the bottom in first, top will click in, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.